We screen the children in the autumn term, and from our findings, I report back to the other practitioners in the setting of the areas that we need to support as first way of teaching. We put that into place, and also the sections that I need to carry on as specific individual group activities. The screening is very doable. Each child would take up to 10-15 minutes. We are a 3-form entry, and we found that taking a class teacher out to do the WellComm was very easy to do with over a week. We then also found that teachers and teaching assistants can be trained up because the videos online are so great and useful to use for the screening process. Well, with the WellComm and the baseline information gathered, we have a fuller picture of the child, and that's helped me with speech and language therapists and our family for learning team. And they all know WellComm, which has been really good. And we can have that broader picture of the child when they come in. So it's really, really positive. So I use the Big Book of Ideas to work out the step ups and the step downs to ensure that the children are making the next steps for their progress in learning. We share this also with the practitioners. Every child that has engaged with WellComm has made progress, and that is our priority, is closing the gaps for child in our care. I think the more you put into WellComm, the more you get out of it, and the WellComm, the Big Book of Ideas, is great to get you going. It's amazing how it's set out, and you can just go with the ideas and adapt all the games to help you and the child in your setting.